Press this point and hold it for exactly 60 seconds. What will happen next will leave you speechless. Can I ask you something? Did you know that acupressure has been a part of the ancient Chinese medicine for more than 5,000 years? The answer is yes. And according to the experts, by putting a good amount of pressure on certain points on the body, it can help you relieve stress, stimulate the function of different organs, and treat some health conditions. They say that acupressure works the same way as acupuncture, but here we use our fingertips instead of needles. Just take a look at the article below and find out more about these effective techniques. The best thing about acupressure is that you can use it yourself, as it doesn't require medical or expert attention. The thing is, the healing pressure massage on certain parts of the body, also called acupressure points, relieves pain and improves overall health. To be more specific, acupressure doesn't only reduce pain, but it also relieves nausea, vertigo, headaches, etc. Heart palpitations, the sea of tranquility. Yes, we've all experienced the unpleasant feeling of increased heartbeat when we are stressed out or anxious. Although not life-threatening, this condition can be really upsetting. But you can easily normalize your heartbeat by applying pressure to the point known as the Sea of Tranquility. This point is located in the central part of the breastbone, and it's believed to promote emotional balance, can help you focus, relax, and remain conscious of the importance of deep breathing. This practice is not only believed to help relieve stress and anxiety, it may also be effective in helping those with depression, chronic fatigue, PTSD, hormonal imbalances, and those in the recovery period following an injury or surgery. The third eye point. This point is located in the area between the eyebrows. It's located almost in the middle of the forehead. Applying pressure on this point will help you calm the minds, clarify your ideas, strengthen your mental intuition and projection. You can use this technique to relieve headaches, dizziness, sinusitis, etc. According to the acupressure experts, to activate this point, you need to close your eyes and sit in relaxed position. Stimulate this point with your middle finger for 1 minute and breathe deeply. Stomach. The experts say that massaging this point will help you create a movement that will improve the breathing process and give you a sense of relief. Forearm. Stress and anxiety block the flow of energy, which can cause different health problems. So, by massaging this point, you'll unblock the energy flow and reduce stress. Palm. This point is located on one of the most important meridians, energy channels, which affects the heart, liver, and pancreas. This point is also very useful for treating headaches, insomnia, abdominal and digestive problems. These problems are all caused by stress. Lower leg. If you feel stressed, massaging this point will help you get rid of it. Foot. Many experts think that massaging this point is the best treatment for treating pancreas. It's located in the center of the foot. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.